Good morning students. Today we will start the sixth part, that is application of derivatives. Part 6. Now here question is, find the point on the curve y equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So look here, we have to find the points on the curve. Okay, so here main thing is the curve is given, so we can write the equation of curve, that is y equal to x cube, and here we will take a point is p. We will take x1 and y1, and this we will differentiate with respect to x. So we get here dy by dx, and this is equal to 3x square, and point we take x1 y1 means this point satisfy this equation also. So we will get y1 equal to x1 power 3. This is equation 1, and dy by dx equal to 3x square we get. Now we get the slope m. M means this dy by dx we have to put the point, and this point is we will put means we put here x1. So place of x we put x1, we get this is a slope. Now in question this is given to you that slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate, means this slope is given to you, slope is equal to y coordinate, means here it is given to you question that this slope is equal to y coordinate, means this 3x square 3x1 square, the slope is equal to y coordinate is y1. Now look here, this is equation 3. Now by equation 1 and 3, this both are equal to y1, both is equal to y1. So we can write here x1 power 3 equal to 3x1 square. This is y1 and this also y1. So y1 is here x1 power 3, and here is y1 is 3x1 power 2. These we will do equal. Now you can transfer these, we will get here x1 power 3 minus 3x1 square, and this is equal to 0, and this implies from here we can take common x1 power 2, we can take common, we will get x1 minus 3, that is equal to 0 we will get here. Now one point we get x equal to 0, and second point we get x1 equal to 3. So look here, these points we can put in curve, means we can put in equation 1, So if x1 equal to 0, then y1 equal to 0 power 3 means we get 0, means we get here one point is 0 and 0. Second point is look here, if x1 equal to 3, then y1 will be equal to 3 power 3, that is 27. So the second point we get here 3 and 27. Sir, we can write here, so we can write answer that required points are 0 0 and 327. Look here, we have to do one question. For the curve y equal to 4x power 3 minus 2x power 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Look at this curve is given to you. This curve we can write here. So curve is y equal to 4x power 3 minus 2x power 5. Here we suppose the point we will take x1 and y1. So this point will satisfy the equation. So you can write here y1 equal to 4x1 power 3 minus 2x1 power 5. This is equation 1, and now we will differentiate this, differentiate with respect to x. We will get here dy by dx equal to, this will be 12x power 2 minus 5 to the 10 x power 4, and look here, we will put the point. So we will get m will be equal to dy by dx, and the point is here x1 y1. So we will put here this point, we get here 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4. We have to write the equation of tangent that is passing through the point x1 y1, and m is given to 12x1 power 2 minus 10x1 power 4. This equation will be y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. and look here, this implies that y minus y1 is y1 only. M is here 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 power 4 into x minus x1. Now, or you can write this is the equation. Okay, now this equation is passing through origin. Look here, in question it is given that all the points at which the tangent passing through the origin. So look here, this tangent is passing through origin, means you will put here, put place of x and y 0 0, place of x and y 0 0, place of y you put 0, means 0 minus y1 equal to 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 power 4 into 0 minus x1. Now we will open this bracket and solve this. Minus and minus will plus, so y1 equal to, we get 12, this by x you multiply, x1 power 3 minus 10 x1 power 5. Look here, minus minus I cancel and I multiply by this x, so I get 12 x1 power 3 minus 10 x1 power 5. This is equation 3. Look here, by equation 1 and 3 you can check y. By equation 1 is 4x1 power 3 minus 2x1 power 5, and here is y1 is 12 x1 power 3 minus 10 x1 power 5. So look here, these are equal will do. Now 10 x1 power 5 we transfer to left hand side, 4 x1 power 3 we transfer to right hand side. Look here, we transfer this 10 x1 power 5 in left hand side, we get here 10 x1 power 5 minus 2 x1 power 5 equal to this 4 x1 power 3 we transfer to right hand side, that we write here 12 x1 power 3 minus 4 x1 power 3. Now we subtract, 10 minus 2 is 8, so we can write 8 x1 power 5 equal to 12 minus 4 is also 8 x1 power 3. Now this 8 and 8 we can cancel. Now we transfer those, so x1 power 5 minus x1 power 3 equal to 0. So this implies x1 power 3 is common, we can write here x1 power 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So this we can write here that x1 power 3 and second is x1 plus 1 and x1 minus 1 equal to 0. So for these, look here, we can get here x1 equal to 0, or we can write x1 equal to minus 1, or we can write x1 equal to 1. So we get here 3 points, x1 equal to 0, x1 equal to minus 1 and x1 equal to 1. These points we will put in the equation of curve. Look here, this is equation 1 and here we put first x1 equal to 0, then we get y1 equal to 0. So first point we get 0 and 0. Second we put here x1 equal to minus 1, then this y1 will be equal to 4 into minus 1 power 3 minus 2 minus 1 power 5. So look here, we get here, this is minus 4 and is plus 2, so we get here minus 2. So this point, second point, we get here minus 1 and minus 2. Look here, we will put here this point x1 equal to 1 also, so y1 will be equal to 4 into 1 power 3 minus 2 1 power 5, and this will be 4 minus 2 is 2. So here this point is we get here 1 and 2. So look here, we get here required points are, you can write required points are 0 0 1 2 and minus 1 and minus 2. So look here, we get here 3 points. These are the answers.